What's going on, guys? Hope you guys are doing well. Happy effing Friday. Feel me? You guys get the point. Happy effing Friday. Today I don't really have plans because I wasn't planning on filming today. I was planning on filming on Sunday, but I'm so busy on Sunday, and also tomorrow, Saturday, is supposed to rain every day. And also one more thing, right? Somehow it went from spring to back to fucking winter. Yo guys, it's so cold outside. It's like 42 outside, and it's funny because last week it was like 60 something. I wasn't even going to film today, but I was like, you know what, I can't let a little bit of cold weather stop the grind. So here we are. So honestly, y'all, I'm gonna just be fully transparent. I don't know what the fuck I'm gonna film. We may just drop to a store and just grab a Snicker bar. Yo, is anyone gonna let me? Forget this, because no one's allowing me to go because this is New York. But anyways, guys, yeah, we may just drop up north to just grab a Snicker bar, because I'm gonna be honest, I did not eat anything for the whole day and I'm starving. So I'm just grab that as a snack, and you guys are going to follow me along. Hopefully I don't bore you. As soon as I mount my summer tires, boom, we are back to winter weather, bro. I mean, it is what it is though, you feel me? Yo, bro, whose car is that? I'm not sure if you guys heard that car, but it sounded pretty great. Damn, the bus is in my way. That sucks. Yo, who's honking at me, bro? You really think I can pass? I can clear this? Nah. Well, actually, I might be able to. Matter of fact. I cleared it. I did it. I'm proud of myself, y'all. Oh shit, there's no Yo, this guy honks at me one more time, man. I won't do anything. Damn, how you gonna honk at me and then proceed to drive 5 miles an hour? Even though it's cold outside, right? This car definitely enjoys the cool air. I'm not sure about the tires though. I'm for sure not flooring it at all. Like at all. I'm good on that. I like my life, you know. I'm not that car guy that fantasizes about crashing into a tree and having the car wrap around a tree. No. That's not me. I like my life, actually. And I got people to live for also. Shit. You guys could hold on to that. Because I don't want that. Nah, I'm good. I'm not trying to crash into a tree. That's not how I'm trying to go out. Sheesh. Try to not floor it, but Yo, guys, I hope I don't get copyrighted. Wait, why is he honking at me? Is he? I don't know. But all right, guys, so on to the next plan. I'm gonna just, as I said, guys, I'm just grabbing a Snicker, you feel me? So we are almost at the spot, at the Snicker spot, you know, at the snack spot. I'm gonna grab a Snicker, fill my stomach, then I'm gonna fill my tank, then I'm gonna head back. And yeah, guys, the one thing I love about the RCF that I feel like other cars don't get, like the M4 and other competitors to the RCF, is this car gets a lot of fucking attention. Yo, every single time, literally every day I bring this car out. Yo, guys, like I'm telling you, every day I bring this car out, someone is taking pictures, I swear. Shit. Damn, these downshifts, crisp as shit. No. But yeah, guys, as I said, right, every time I take this car out, someone is either taking pictures, hitting me up on Instagram saying, yo, bro, like, you have a fucking fantastic car. Even though to me, this car is fucking, well, it's not shitty, but it's not as perfect as I want it to be. Like, I love this car. But, like, I feel like other cars don't get that attention. Which, I feel like it just goes to show that, like, this car is different. And I feel like people that, like, seek to own this car, I feel like it's not for the power, obviously. Like, I don't know what it is. But yeah, guys, sheesh, this car looks even sexier on fucking video. Oh my gosh, looks fire. All right, guys, let's grab the Snicker and shit. Hopefully, I'm gonna try to not catch anyone's face and shit, because, you know, I'm trying to respect people and shit. But yeah, I don't want to film anyone's face. Okay, this isn't my first time here. I've been here before. I'm gonna be honest, right? That's my confession. Oh, I'm sorry. No, you're good, you're good. I've been here before. Yeah, these are the Snickers, you feel me? Wait, what the fuck? This ain't called a Snicker. This is called a Satisfies. Nah, I want the Snickers. But also, I'm trying to be satisfied, so I got the Satisfies. It's close enough. From here, you guys can see it over there. Thank you. You guys see it. You see it. I got the Satisfies. Now it's time to satisfy my fucking gas tank. God damn it. Just adjusting the camera. All right. Man, sexy ass car. Shit. Damn. I wish I had some water. I was trying to say that I wish I got water. Damn. Man, that's a killer. I mean, it's great, but damn. It's a killer. Yo, I don't have water here? No? Wow, that's an L on my part. Oh, wait, hold on. Also, yo, guys, I think I cracked another rim. I'm over it at this point. And the reason why I think I did is because if you guys look over here at my tire pressure isn't showing. The last time I cracked the rim, the same thing happened, but this happened recently though, and I did not crack a rim. So I don't know, it happened here also at the same spot. So I don't know if there's something wrong with this. I don't know, the floor or something, I don't know, but yeah, we out though. I do plan on replacing the cracked rims soon though, before I track the car, of course. Let's see if it works here. Yo, see, it just popped up as soon as yo guys, as soon as I left that spot, it popped up. What the fuck? This is the second time it happened. That's weird. I don't know, strange behaviors. Like, I love this car, but sometimes it be acting weird, and then it be scaring me because like every time it acts weird, the only thing I could think about in my head is money, 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 money. And I'm like, damn. So shit, yeah guys, anyways, we out. I know there's a manhole here, like a terrible one, a pretty deep one. Let's see if I could like avoid. Okay. I hope you guys enjoyed this video so much. I'm gonna just end it here. And if you did enjoy the video, please drop a like button, comment. Also, if you are new to this channel and if you enjoyed it so far, please subscribe, because you know I'm trying to get a mil. I know, right? 1 million subs. I don't know. I mean, I think it's possible. I mean, if people subscribe, but who would ever know? Oh shit. But who would ever know, you feel me? But all right guys, yeah, I'm having too much fun. But yo guys, I'm gonna just see you guys on the next video. I'm not trying to drag this out for too long. So guys, I'm out for the 10th time. I'm out. I'm seriously out this time. Like, I really am. Like, all right guys, peace. I'm out. Peace. Guys, I lied about being out, I know. I'm still here, but anyways. Alright guys, now I'm out. Hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you are new, subscribe if you haven't yet. And if you enjoyed the video, please drop a like and comment. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.